Now we need to add mixed numbers. So first we have 2 and 3/5, and we're adding 2 and 1/5. We can start by adding our fractions together, so working out 3/5 plus 1/5. Remember, when we add fractions, the denominator stays the same, and 3 plus 1 is 4. But now we need to add our whole numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4, so our answer is 4 and 4/5. Next, we have 3 and 4/7 plus 1 and 1/7. We can start by adding our fractions together. The denominator stays the same in our answer, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we can add our whole number. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and that gives us our answer, 4 and 5/7. To show what we were doing here, we started with 2 and 3/5, so that's 2 wholes and 3 parts out of 5 of another fraction bar, and we were adding 2 and 1/5. We started by adding our fractions, and when we put them together, we can see that we have 4/5. Then we added our wholes, and 2 plus 2 is 4, so that was the whole number of our mixed number answer. Then we had 3 and 4/7, so 3 whole fraction bars and 4 parts out of 7, and we were adding 1 and 1/7. We started by adding the 4/7 and the 1/7 to give us 5/7. Then we added the 1 whole to the 3 wholes that we started with to give us 4 and 5/7 as our answer, and you can see that we have 4 whole fraction bars and 5/7 of another one. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.